Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Firebase console and selecting the project you already created. Once there, open Project Settings and pick the Apps tab. You need to register a web app or select an existing platform app. Click Add App if no entry exists, give it a clear nickname, and choose whether you want Firebase hosting. This step registers your client and generates the config object, so do it now, because the config is what your front end will read to connect to Firebase services. Now focus on locating the exact configuration. In Project Settings, under the SDK setup for your chosen platform, you'll see the Firebase config object with API key, auth domain, project ID, storage bucket, messaging sender ID, and app ID. Copy the entire object string for client-side code. It's safe for public clients. If you need server privileges, switch to service accounts and download the JSON key. Make sure to keep that file private, because it grants full admin access to your project. Finally, integrate the config into your app and initialize Firebase with Initialize App, Firebase Config, or the platform-specific call. Once done, verify services like authentication or Firestore by running a quick read or sign-in test. Make sure production builds pull secrets from environment variables and do not expose service account keys. If something fails, check that the project ID matches, the API key isn't restricted incorrectly, and your service account has necessary roles. Then rotate keys or adjust IAM permissions if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.